guys, I'm back with another video, and today's video I'm going to be creating some Christmas nails. So here in this part of the video I'm just applying top coat to the nail, and then I want to let it dry for about 60 seconds. Okay, so here I'm creating a line going halfway down the nail, and I'm just gonna even out the sides, and then after I even out the sides, I'm going to fill in the bottom half. So here I'm going to be creating a sweater nail. The first thing I'm going to do is create this S, or I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm going to just continue to draw this pattern all the way down the nail. Then I'm going to draw a line down the nail on both sides. After drawing the lines, I'm just gonna create some dots and draw them down the nail. Now I'm gonna put acrylic over the nails. Me personally, I like to put a lot of acrylic on there just to make sure that it really sticks and you really can see like the actual sweater nail. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just applying some acrylic on there, and then after I finish putting the acrylic on there, I'm gonna let it cure for about 60 seconds. snowflake. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just kind of like draw a star, and then I'm just gonna use those lines to kind of like branch off, make it look like a tree branch. It's hard for me to explain it, so y'all have to see what I'm talking about. Then on this part of the nail, I'm just gonna draw like icicles falling off. So now I'm gonna put acrylic over the nail, and then after I finish that, I'm gonna let it cure for about 60 seconds. But before I put it under the lamp, I make sure that I dust off the excess first. this nail, I decided to do like a freestyle design. So I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch this part of the video. So on this nail, I was trying to create a V-tip, but it didn't come out how I wanted it to, so I just decided to take half of it off. Okay, so I decided to add something extra to the thumb. I wanted to bring it out a little bit more because I felt like it just looked plain. So what I decided to do is add the swirl in the middle and the icicles in there. So unfortunately my camera had died. So I wasn't able to get the rest of the video for you guys. But here are the nails. Ooh, they look so nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will link my site below in the description if you would like to purchase these. And also let me know what other videos you want to see from me.